Good morning. Alright, so today is Sunday, and when you're living by yourself, it's good to cook everything on a Sunday so that for the rest of the week you just have to reheat the food so that it would be not time consuming. You know what I mean? So yes, and I had fun with that transition, so we were gonna do that now. There you go. So today we were gonna make at least 5 recipes that we were gonna eat throughout the week, actually just for dinner, because I usually don't eat breakfast. And we will make dinner for 5 days. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with these ingredients only, because pecha de peligro is around the corner. Scary. So we would just use these ingredients. So we have oil. This is the remaining Spanish salmon oil. If you haven't watched the video how I made this, the video is in the description. And then we will be using this sausage, Japanese sausage. If you don't have this in the Philippines, you can use your hot dogs. Yes. And if you don't have any canned sardines or canned or tuna, I don't know. And then we have our squash. Yes. And then our carrots, our ninjin. Then this is our last garlic. Yes, we have 2 cloves of garlic. And then the secret of a bountiful, there you go, bountiful meal is our cabbage. And the star is here. No, I'm just kidding. The star of our budget-friendly meals for the whole week is the glorious rice of Japan. I really don't understand why Japanese rice is so delicious. Yeah, I tell you, it's expensive, but it's worth it. I don't know, but there's something in a Japanese rice, and even the regular Japanese rice, it's delicious. Like, I keep on saying, like, do you want? Okay. No, in the future, we will try that one. We will feed children and, taste competition and what. I don't know. Let's just try in the future. So anyway, let's cook these. So here are our 5 recipes. We have recipe number 1. Yes, this looks like mini chicken katsu, but it's not. And I think I'll be full with this. Then our recipe number 2, I like this one because it has mashed squash and I liked it. Then if you take a look on this, they're pretty similar, but they're not. Both they have cabbage, but this one has the fish sausage and this one has the salmon on it. And this one looks like a separated of this one. Yes, with sausage and cabbage. But this one has carrots. Yes, so you know it's budget friendly and we're just trying to get, we're trying to use whatever we have on our fridge, and it's pecha de peligro recipe, and I do hope and pray I'll have 5 meals until the payday. Woohoo! So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much and see you to our next video.